Hello programmers, Spite is back with another video. So in this video I am talking about some OpenCV mini project. Yes, I am talking about a cat detection system. Actually it's not a cat, but actually it can detect a cat face, just like what we are doing in the human face detection system. So this is just a cat detection system. If you want to see the demo then just need to open this image. You can see in this image. So now our Python program can detect the cat face also. So how? If you have a question how we can do this thing, then just see this video. So before starting the tutorial, just I want to say something which I think you did not about know. So first of all, follow Machine Learning Hub page on the Instagram. So you can directly notified and you can see lots of stories which is related to machine learning and Python and deep learning. There are lots of things available on the my Machine Learning Hub Instagram page. Now second thing is that lots of the subscriber and lots of the followers doesn't know about my this store. So guys, this is the Machine Learning Hub online store from where you can download the some paid projects. So paid project means what? If you are the final year student, or if you want some internship project, or like if you want some project which you need to show in the company, and if you don't have a time to do the complete the project, then there are already projects available on the my store. You can see price is reasonable than our market. I have put it, I have set it all the price according to the market, but actually it's lower than the market. So you can check out my store. You can find lots of mini projects. Like you can see I have uploaded this cat detection full GUI project also. There are face mask detection, language translator, Python app, then a loan prediction system, employee face recognition system. There are lots of projects available. You can check it out. Now there is a one another thing which is a PDF which is made by me. So in this PDF what it contains the guidelines. Means if you are totally beginner, means how, if you have a question how to start into machine learning AI, then this PDF is only for you. In this PDF you will get the guideline towards how to start with machine learning in AI, with some suggestion and course details also. If you want to know more about this PDF, then you can directly contact me on the Instagram. I will give you this link. You can directly download this PDF. Just you have to just pay some amount which is showing here. Just you need to pay, and then it automatically it will download. So guys, this payment gateway is a very trusted. You can download our projects from the here. Now let's talk about the cat detection system. So now you need to create just first of all go to your working directory, create some folder like cat detection OpenCV. Now you need to have a one XML file which is a cat.xml. Okay, so for that file you need to go to my GitHub. I will give you the link in the description. So this is my repository. Even you can get this code from the here. So this is the code. This code is just a contain some basic part. It's not full GUI version. If you want GUI version, then you can buy it from the my store. So directly you can just git clone this project. So this is the XML file here. You can download it from here also. Now what we are doing now is time to the code. This is the code here. We are using the CV2 library. So we need to import the CV2 here. Now after that we need to initialize HAR cascade. Now lots of people doesn't know HAR cascade. So first of all we did a face detection already. I have made face detection tutorial also. You can check it out. In that video I have explained HAR cascade very well. Now I'm just giving you some normal information about HAR cascade. HAR cascade means what? If I show you like 1,000 of images to you for some particular object, then you can understand and you can know what is this object. So the same concept what we are doing with machine also. We are giving the same type of the image which contain the same object. Like if you want to create a bottle detector like a water bottle, then what you need to do, just you need to have a like 1,000 plus water bottle image. and then you need to do some procedure, and then in the outcome it will generate a one XML file which is called a har cascade XML file. So now what it contain? It contain the har features. Har features means simply machine can automatically recognize the same object which is available in that training image. So that's how har cascade is made. So guys, I have not made this get.xml file. I have downloaded from the some source. Even har cascade, making har cascade is a very tough task. Even around 2 years ago I have created a har cascade for the flower, but result was not that much good. And same for this get.xml. This is not accurate like the human object detection. Yes, the guy who has created human face detection har cascade, it's very much accurate, but I don't know, there are lots of har cascade available like number plate detection, but that's all the har cascade are not a perfect. So now we need to initialize this har cascade here. So we have initialized cat.xml cascade classifier, so it will read our cat.xml. Now we need to fetch the image from the user. Means now just we are doing the some simple code here. We don't need to care about the user. We are just creating the backend code, so that's why currently we are doing cv2.imread. Okay, so I have downloaded some images from the internet. So first of all, let's see what this image is all. Okay, so just wait a minute. See. So this is all the images which I have downloaded from the internet. Okay, now you need to get the path here. So just you need to enter the path of your image. Now what you need to do, you need to convert your image into black and white. Means gray means what? cv2.cvt color, then cv2.color, bgr to gray means it will convert your image into gray format. Now we need to initialize our detect multiscale. Means what? So already we have initialized our har cascade in this face cascade variable. Okay, so now there is a one another method which is available in that initialization, which is called detect multiscale. Now detect multiscale means how it will work. So it can detect a multiple faces, multiple objects from the one image. That's why we are initializing this detect multiscale. From the detect multiscale we will get coordinates of that object also, like x, y, w, h. Okay, so now in this detect multiscale method we need to pass our image. So we are passing our gray images here. Okay, so now we have passed our gray image here. Now these parameters from the right side is optional. Optional means what? You don't need to define this parameter, but why we are defining here? Because if you want some more accuracy, or if you set the more parameters, like in the machine learning model how we set parameters, so just like that we can configure our prediction, means we can configure our detection accuracy also. So we need to define scale factors 1.3 and minimum min neighbors is equal to 10. So this is the best value. I have checked lots of value and like, and I have found this is the perfect value for the cat detection from the images. But for once again I am telling, this is not much accurate like a human face detection. Now min size is equal to 75. So we are initializing minimum size of the image. This is just optional parameter, you can remove it. Now what we are doing, so now we have initialized faces, means in the faces we will get the coordination of the objects. Okay, now after the getting the coordinates we need to initialize the for loop here. So we are doing for x, y, w, h, x, y, width and height in the faces. So we are initializing our for loop in the our faces, so it can iterate over and over faces, means how much face is detected. It can possible there are lots of cat in the image also. That's why we are initializing for loop for getting the value of the x, y, w, h and initializing multiple faces. Now we need to put the rectangle where face is detected. So we are putting cv2 dot rectangle, then we need to define the image also, because in which image we want to put our rectangle. That's why we have defined image here. Then x and y is our just value, just what how we can draw the rectangle. And we just define the simple like x plus w and y plus h, means how we can draw the rectangle. Now we have defined color 00255, it's RGB color of the red. Sorry, OpenCV actually contain the BGR color format, it is not the RGB. So you need to remember that if you are using OpenCV, then color format is a BGR. Then you just need to transfer the B to R and R to B, just like you need to transfer the color. So this is the red color for the OpenCV. So 00255 and 3 is the width of that rectangle. Okay. Now we have put one another rectangle. I will tell you the reason after the running the code. After that, cv2 dot put text. Just I am putting the cat because just we can know this is the cat. I'm just kidding. So just we have put cat text here. We choose the font here. cv2 font Hershey simplex, then 0.7. Then we choose the white color code like 255 255 to 255, and 2 is the width sorry size of that font. Okay, now we need to display the image here, so that's why we have written cv2.imshow then img, and then you need to define the image file here. Then we have defined cv2.waitkey 0, means it will doesn't close your image automatically until you close the frame. Then we have defined cv2.destroy all windows, just because we need to release all the memory, it will destroy all the windows. So now code is done in just a 25 line. If we ignore all the comments and spaces, then it will done in the 20 line, even less than in 20 line. So first let me run. So first let me know on the which images we are testing. So I am a kind of a meme lover, so that's why I have downloaded some of the cat memes from the internet. So just let's run the code. I am doing on a T3. Okay, on the first half I got the error because I forget to put XML here, so that's why. Control C and Control V here. Okay, now let's run once again. So guys, there is a one concept is called error understanding. So like some of the people are confused with the error. So you see, when I see the error, I forget to put the error, because you see the error, you need to see the error, you can see error. What error telling, you need to understand the error, then you can solve the error easily. So it's telling empty function, then cv cascade detect multi-scale. So it's generating error from this line, means it's telling this phase cascade is empty. Now in the which condition phase cascade should be empty? So when you doesn't means your path is wrong for the XML file, then your condition like your phase cascade is the empty. So that's why I got the solution, means I have not put my XML file here, so that's why I'm getting the error. Okay, now you can see it's running, and you see cat is detected. This is the simple meme from which I have downloaded from the Google. So now let me understand this second line. You see the code is, means I have copied this line, and but I have defined y minus 40. So you see there is a one another rectangle here also on the top of the our first rectangle. So what we are doing, we are putting y minus 40, means we are putting a one filled rectangle, means color filled rectangle on the top of the our first rectangle. So we can write a name of the object, you can, and it's looking very good. So here we have defined -1. -1 means it will fill the rectangle with the color which you have defined. So that's how you can do this kind of the thing here. So if you want to check, let's check on the one another image. Okay, so let me check on the test image. Okay, so let's do on the group image. There is a T5, so just we need to do t5 also. So just we need to change here t5.jpg. Okay, so 2cat is detected and you can see this cat is totally ignored, just because it doesn't depend, like it's not a proper accurate model. But you can see even this red face sorry, this cat face is totally rotated, so that's why might be it's not detected. Now if you want to demo of the GUI version which I have put it on the store, so this is also simple GUI. You can use this project as a like college project or a simple internship project. So the concept and background code is same, just I have like similar, like I have created user GUI. So let me choose this and detect cat face, so it will work same as like this. You can see why actually ghost cat is detected also. You can do some modification also. So means this modification means what, you can change the parameter, you can increase and decrease this thing also. So if you increase, then 1 point, it will change a value 1.3 to almost 1.9, and then it will doesn't detect. So let me lower down the value. If you lower down the value, then you will get the number of the detection, but detection will be like ghost kind of detection. So you can play with this uh, to value bar, you can change the value. So it's changing this value. Just let me show you what value we are changing. We are changing the scale factor and minimum neighbors value according to this bar. So 130 means 130 means 1.3, and like that's how we can change the value of this. So I have created this beautiful GUI with the decanter. Even you can save this image also. So when I click on the save button, this image will be saved here. So let's check the save image. Okay, so where is that image? Okay, so image is saved here. So first let me close the GUI. Okay, so image is saved here. So I hope guys you get this code very means simply. This code is like very simple. It is same kind as the face detection system. So if you did not get anything, just comment down below, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe the Machine Learning Hub channel. Once again, if you want some like projects, otherwise you can go to my store and you can means you can use the paid project also. There are lots of free and open source project available on the my GitHub. Without paying, you can directly use my free project which is available on the GitHub also. Follow us on Instagram for more updates. If you have some project idea and you want, if you want, I can do project for you also, just kind of the freelancing. So you can directly contact me on the Instagram also. If you any error or if you want some help or suggestion, I can help you also. So guys, thank you for the listening me. I will if you have any suggestion for the next upcoming videos, you can directly give me in the comment section. So guys, see you in the next one. Until that, keep coding, be safe, and thank you for the listening me.